Hi guys, uh, the latest update on my car. Since I got it, I've been shopping, not for me actually, but for the car. So I got most of the stuff delivered, so I already started working on it a little bit. So I'm going to do a little bit of upgrades, like the rock guards and stuff like that. So I just finished actually installing them, the front and back one. This is the way they look right now. It's supposed to protect the car from the rocks, so it was really easy to install them. So I didn't even need tools to remove it, except on the bottom that has that one screws that supposed to be removed, but shouldn't have no problem. It only takes a couple of minutes. That's all it takes, and it's very easy to install them. It looks nicer. So the next one, the front lip, I got a carbon fiber one, and I started taking this one apart, which is not that easy like everybody makes it look. I did remove the 10 screws that the socket wrench, but it has another 10 or 15 these rivets that I didn't know. I thought they were screws or something because they look like it, but turned out to be just rivets, and they said that I have to break them off. So now I'm working on that. I thought it's gonna be 1, 2, 3 to get it replaced. We'll see how is it going to go. So to get access to it, what I did is actually I put a couple of bricks on the floor and then put a piece of plywood, and that gives me enough space to work on this. So we'll see how the stage 3 carbon fiber kit looks. So keep you posted. All right, so out with the old, in with the new. So preparing this guy here to install it, and hopefully I'm not going to run into kind of problems. Okay, so finally I'm done with it. So the lip is in place and is looking really nice. So I decided the side pieces, the side skirt or whatever they call it, not to put it on. Maybe I'll do it later, but for now it looks much cleaner like this. And she's ready for the first bath, so I'm gonna give a nice cleaning and store it into the garage. Well, it's been a long day today, so I washed the car, put it inside the garage, covered it, and will not move for a month or two. The upgrades, basically this is it. You cannot do much more to this car unless you want to mess around with the engine or something like that. Otherwise, in terms of the look, it has a killer look right now. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna add a couple of more finishing touches with stickers and stuff like that, but that's basically it. I just drove it for like 20 miles, and oh boy, This is the car. I had an M4, and they used to say that the car connects to you and stuff like that, which it did. But this pushes the M4 back in the line. I'm impressed. The only thing, these tires, they look like track tires, and until they warm up are very dangerous. I drove off and the tires were cold. I thought I'm gonna crash the car. It's unbelievable. But otherwise, great car. Can't wait to enjoy it in the spring, where I can drive it every day. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and you'll hear soon from me.